It's too cold for you to be living out here. Let's go inside. Well, that didn't work. We've got significant issues with the exhaust manifolds and the timing is completely off. She's seizing up. Thankfully, I don't have to work on this out in the weather now. I can take my time. I absolutely love having this running engine stand, and you can too.
Bring the whole process home with the Mechman Running Engine Stand. Build, leak test, break in, tune on your own schedule in your own garage. Warm, clean, and comfortable.
After all, it's cold outside. Don't let winter weather put your project on hold. Check out the Mechman Running Engine Stand today.
Oh yeah, forgot to mention, they make the ultimate Christmas gift for the gearhead on your list.